Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and voice match. Now enable Hey Google function and then try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and also enable lock screen function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow in Celsius?
Celsius and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.